Are you looking for a highly equipped SUV with superior functionality and space for the whole family? You've come to the right place. Take a look at this 2017 Jeep Grand Cherokee Limited 4x4 in bright white. With bi-xenon HID headlamps, LED fog lamps, 20-inch satin silver aluminum wheels, blind spot and cross path detection, remote start system, heated and ventilated front seats, heated steering wheel, 7-inch LCD instrument cluster with tachometer, 8.4-inch touchscreen display, navigation, backup camera, SELEC-TERRAIN system, QUADRA-TRAC 2 4-wheel drive system, heated second row seats, dual-pane panoramic sunroof, leather trim seats with perforated inserts, cargo compartment cover, power liftgate, and so much more. For more details or to schedule a test drive, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number D5378.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.